toward them. The turtle had wise, ancient eyes, and when it spoke, its voice was deep and calm. Welcome, young adventurers. Once upon a time, in a small coastal town called Ocean View, there lived a curious and adventurous 10-year-old boy named Max. Max had always been fascinated by the ocean, the waves, the smell of the salty air, and the endless mysteries hidden beneath the surface had captured his imagination since he was little. His room was filled with books about sea creatures, coral reefs, and lost shipwrecks. Every night, Max dreamed of discovering the secrets of the deep sea. Max's best friend, Lily, was just an adventuress. The two were inspirable, always exploring the shores, collecting shells, and imagining fantastic tales of underwater kingdoms and treasure. Lily was known for her quick thinking, and together they made the perfect team. One bright summer morning, Max and Lily set off for their favorite spot by the beach. The sun was shining, and the waves gently leaped against the shore. As they walked along the sand, Lily suddenly spotted something glimmering near the water's edge. "Look at that!" she exclaimed, pointing at a shiny blue seashell half buried in the sand. It was glowing faintly in the sunlight, and unlike any shell they had ever seen, it was covered in strange, swirling symbols. Curiosity piqued. Max bent down and picked it up. The moment his fingers touched the shell, something incredible happened. The seashell began to pulse with energy, and a deep echoing voice came from within. "Greetings, young adventurers," the voice said, sounding like the whisper of the ocean itself. Max and Lily jumped back, staring at the shell in disbelief. Is it real?" Lily asked, her eyes wide in amazement. The shell continued, "I'm an ancient artifact, entrusted with the key to a hidden underwater world. For centuries, I have waited for those brave and clever enough to take on the great underwater quest. If you accept, you will embark on a journey filled with challenges, riddles, and magical creatures. The entrance to this world lies beneath the reef, but only the worthy may enter." Max's heart raced with excitement. This was everything they had dreamed of. He looked at Lily, who nodded eagerly. "We accept," Max declared. With that, the seashell glowed brighter, and the voice spoke once more. "Very well, brave adventurers. Your quest begins now. Put on your diving gear and follow the light beneath the reef. But remember, you must be clever, kind, and brave to complete this journey. Only then you will uncover the treasures of wonders of the deep." Max and Lily didn't waste a moment. They hurried back to their beach hut, put on their swimming gear, and rushed to the reef. As they swam deeper into the ocean, the water around them began to shimmer and glow. Colors they had never seen before danced in the water, and suddenly the ocean floor opened up beneath them, revealing a hidden tunnel of light. The two friends swam through the tunnel, their hearts pounding with excitement. When they emerged on the other side, they couldn't believe their eyes. Before them was a magical underwater kingdom, unlike anything they had ever imagined. Giant coral towers rose from the ocean floor, glowing with vibrant colors. Fish of every single shape and size swam gracefully around them, some wearing tiny crowns on their heads. Octopus played games of chess with their tentacles, while dolphins danced and twirled through the currents. Max and Lily stared in awe, but before they could move forward, an enormous sea turtle swam toward them. The turtle had wise, ancient eyes, and when it spoke, its voice was deep and calm. "Welcome, young adventurers," the turtle said. "To enter the kingdom, you must solve my riddle. Only then can you prove your worthiness. Are you ready?" Max and Lily nodded eagerly. The turtle began. "I am not alive, but I grow. I do not breathe, but I need air. What am I?" Max and Lily exchanged nervous glances. They whispered to each other, trying to figure out the answer. After a moment, Max's eyes lit up with realization. "A fire!" he shouted. The turtle smiled slowly, nodding his head. "Correct. You may pass. Good luck on your journey. And beware, the path ahead is full of challenges, but also great rewards." As they swam deeper into the kingdom, Max and Lily encountered all kinds of magical sea creatures. Friendly jellyfish lead their way through dark, twisting caves. A giant squid used its long legs to help them cross a wide, deep trench, creating a bridge of its arms. Along the way, they befriended a playful sea otter named Oliver, who joined them on their quest, showing them secret shortcuts and hidden treasures buried in the sand. After what felt like hours of exploring, they finally arrived at the heart of the underwater kingdom, a grand, glowing castle made entirely of coral and pearls. The walls shimmered in every color imaginable, and sea creatures swam gracefully through the windows. At the entrance of the castle stood a majestic figure, the Sea Queen. She was a beautiful mermaid with a sparkling crown made of seashells and pearls. Her long, flowing hair floated gently in the water as she greeted them. "Max and Lily," the Sea Queen said, her voice soft and kind. "You have shown great bravery and wisdom. You have completed the underwater quest, and for that I thank you." She gestured toward a large treasure chest made of glittering gold and silver. Max and Lily's eyes widened, but when the chest opened, they were surprised. Instead of gold coins, inside was a single glowing pearl, brighter and more beautiful than anything they had seen. This, the Sea Queen explained, is the pearl of the ocean. It holds the power to protect the seas from pollution and harm. But it is not just for you. It is a gift for the entire world. With this pearl, you can teach others about the importance of protecting the ocean and its creatures. Max and Lily looked at each other, realizing that this treasure was far greater than anything they had imagined. They took the pearl and promised to use it wisely. With the Sea Queen's blessing, they returned to the surface. As they emerged from the water, the magical glow of the underwater kingdom faded, but the memory of their adventure remained bright in their hearts. They looked down at the glowing pearl in Max's hand, knowing they had a big responsibility ahead. From that day on, Max and Lily became the protectors of the ocean. They shared their story with everyone in Ocean View, teaching people about the wonders of the sea and the importance of keeping it clean and safe for future generations. And through, they never saw the magical underwater kingdom again. Max and Lily knew that it always there, hidden beneath the waves, waiting for the next brave adventures to discover its secrets. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.